Op. Diyan lang. Diyan lang. Op.
This really would be a wonderful day for kite flying.
Sunny and breezy. Hey, hey. Oh man,
Sorry,
it's
Hugo.
too breezy.
Nilagay ko sa rep yung kalabasan, hindi niya nakain.
Ayaw niya.
Oh no. And here it
Bumili kami
comes.
ng mami nito.
Down, down,
Pulse niya yung
down.
prep niya.
Oh no. It's headed right for
Nakacheck yung short niya.
Oo, pwede pa yan.
It's stuck. How will I get it down?
Ito yung sand niya.
One breeze blew it up there. I think another breeze will probably blow it down. So all we have to do is wait.
Ang
Think so?
likod.
Or if you don't want to wait, we've got a ladder.
Oh, that is a good idea. Oh,
Ganda
ladders
ng
are
pogi
just
ah.
right for climbing up and down.
Pogi ah.